Welcome to the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with X Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter X Icon Changer. So now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, tap here to open the app. Then you'll see here all the available applications on your device, and for example, let's select the Contacts app here. Just if you want to rename the app or icon, you should click on this edit icon. Here we can see the library with different folders with the default icons. Also, you can select photo from your device gallery previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, you can take a picture right now in camera app. For example, let's use one from these available icons. This is the contacts one. Just tap here to OK on the right upper corner. Now we should just skip this video, the ads here. And now let's tap here at automatically so we can change next icon by the same way. I'll go to the desktop. So let's just find here the contacts icon, and this is the new one, and this is the original default icon of contacts app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.